Hey everyone, it's Hindash and I will be creating a look using Savoir Flair's Best of Beauty award-winning makeup products. Let me show you how I created this graphic faded blue eye look on Lana. First, I'll start by priming her face. This primer goes on silky smooth and hydrating, and makeup glides effortlessly on top of this, which I love. For base, I'm using a skin tint. This gives just the right amount of coverage that's undetectable. I'm a huge fan of a lightweight base. I then like to go in with a concealer to spot conceal and brighten. This paired with the skin tint creates such a perfect base. I'm buffing and tapping this in. I love a cream blush, and this one melts effortlessly into the skin, creating a beautiful flush. I'm taking my Monochromance Gradient palette, which is a vegan all-in-one face and eye palette. I'm using the lightest shade all over the eyes as a base. To create a faded blue, I'm mixing the lighter blue with the cream shade and applying that all over the lids. I love mixing and matching shades. I always brainstorm liner ideas by sketching designs. This is very crucial to me as an artist, and it's super fun. Taking my hairline eyeliner, I'm going to start with a classic wing. This brush tip and extremely black vegan formula glides on with precision. I'm creating a double liner on the lower lash line and a sharp outer crease wing. I always think of these liner looks as freestyle liner because I create them on the spot with the model. And going in with mascara, focusing this on the top lashes. I love the lift and separation. I'm going to bronze up the entire face, which will look so beautiful with the blue. This bronzer is so flattering and has a second skin feel. I love setting my cream blush with powder, so I'm doing this with my palette. And contouring with the ashy shade. I love doing the tip of the nose and lips. Such a difference. And a bit down the cheekbones. Lana has beautiful brows, and I just want to fill in the small gaps. This creates the softest natural texture on the brows, which never looks heavy. And finishing off the skin with translucent powder. This stays in my kit because it refreshes and sets the makeup without looking heavy, cakey, or powdery. And for lips, I'm using matte blurring lipsticks and layering a pink shade with a peach. This gives such beautiful dimension with the contour we did earlier. Using a brush also allows me to push the product into the lips, creating this stunning combo. And that is the final look on Lana, using Savoir Flair's Best of Beauty award winners. I really wanted to capture a modern Middle Eastern look that's classic but playful. Enjoy.